This is Lesson 14 Exit Ticket. The first thing you'll do is write your name here on the line. Here we go. The first thing you're going to do is decide which strategy that you're going to use for counting a circular array. So choose which strategy. Are you going to draw a line? Are you going to use the paper clip? Are you going to color one or put your finger on one? Okay, so once you've made your decision, you're going to count the stars and then write the number right here. For this one, you're going to whisper count all of these dots. Okay, and you're going to figure out how many dots there are. Don't forget to use the strategy. Once you know how many are here, you're going to look over here at this number. Okay? How many did you have here? And how many do you need? So you need to add more dots with your pencil until you have this many dots. Good luck!